Tessery has sent me some amazing goodies in the mail. This is my first time partnering up with them, and I absolutely love the quality and fast shipment that they did. So please do check out Tessery at tessery.com for your Tesla accessories. Opening the box of goodies, we can tell that this is an air pump with a whole bunch of ways to open it, which I'm very annoyed with. I have no patience to open this, so I'm just gonna tear it apart. And we find some cables. There are a couple of cables. We have an air pump cable that will plug into your tire with some really nice rubberized texture, which I really like. USB-C to USB cable, as well as a car plug. Looking at the main gadget, we can see that is a massive brick. It feels very, very heavy and good quality. And I love that these designs fall in tune with Tesla's ecosystem of simplicity. In the back, we have a couple of different pins to inflate your bicycle, your soccer balls, your footballs, whatever you call it. On the top, we find a flashlight as well as a USB, USB-C, and your main connectors. After charging this for about an hour, we can see that the LCD is bright and shiny. You have a cool LED flashlight that flashes with different options, and I like the fact that it's very bright. On the LCD, you also get a couple of options to inflate different accessories such as your motorcycle, your bicycle, your footballs or soccer balls, as well as your car. It is a smart pump, so you can actually measure and tweak how much air you want on your particular vehicle or your accessory, which I think is really, really nice. You also get different accessories up top, as I mentioned before, and some different add-ons for your footballs, your soccer balls, or your bicycle. And just giving a quick overview, I simply love the design and weight as well as the attention to detail to this item. But does it work? Let's find out. And for those who don't know, your PSI is always on the tire. So it tells you how much air you need to pump or what's the max PSI do you need to pump. You can also find this information on smart vehicles such as the Tesla, where it displays the information right on the display with the correct tire pressure. And there you have it. It is quite loud, actually louder than anything else I've tested. One thing I will point out is that the battery did die after the fourth tire. I had already filled up my Tesla tires as well as my Corvette tires before it died down. Keep in mind that I was solely doing this with the charger that this came with and not plugging it into the car. So if you were to plug this into the car, it would technically last the whole time you're using it. In conclusion, I think this is a well worth accessory to have, as it's very compact and it'll take you out of an emergency if you ever have one. Hopefully you don't. And the battery does last long. The LCD is extremely bright and it's easy to use. Aside from this, Tesla also gave us an amazing Tesla Air Vent fragrance for your Model Y or your Model 3. These little capsules smell absolutely amazing. You get 3 different options, from Garden Party, a Walk in the Woods, and Black Sweater. I absolutely love the names as well. They just sound so sophisticated and cool. Most importantly, as we all know, Teslas do have a habit of smelling not too good after a while, so this definitely fixes that issue. With the capsule fragrances, you also get a diffuser that looks like a pipe for some reason. Not weird at all. But it's very easy. All you have to do is insert the capsules inside the pipe style looking diffuser and you're good to go. It's all held up by magnets, which I think it's kind of cool, but a little bit gimmicky. I think it's because they want you to use it in different ways, such as the cylinder way or the pipe style way, depending on where you want to put it in the car. I have it as the pipe style because it literally throws the fragrance right on my face, which I think is really, really cool. And so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I simply want to point out that I was able to find a pump for my cars, as well as a nice fragrance for the ride, all in one single place, tessery.com, which only goes to speak about how many products and what the extent of products is for tessery.com. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use my link, discount code below at C3S Garage on tessery.com. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.